Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the brightness on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, and then tap on the settings cog. In settings, select brightness. You can turn the toggle on to the right of auto adjustment to make your watch's brightness adjust automatically with your surroundings. Or with auto brightness switched off, you can tap brightness and change the brightness level manually. You can choose a brightness level between 1 and 5, 1 being the darkest and 5 being the brightest. Choose your desired level and then tap the tick to select it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.